Hello guys, ito na yung nabili namin. Bumili ako ng 1 kilong oregano. Ito yung oregano nila. Maliit lang yung leaves, yung yung dahon. Ito naman lettuce. Yung lettuce nila. Yan. Kumuha ko ng pataba. Yan, para pananim. Pag tinanim ko tong oregano, may gamitin akong lupa na organic fertilizer nila yan. Bago kami umuwi, muna kami mag-relax muna kami dito. Dito muna kami mag-relax ni Panduel saka si Brother Kadar. Brother Duel,
Huh?
Duel?
Dueli.
Dueli, the Dueli. Take banana, Mus.
Thank you.
About you? You not cannot be if you plant banana because of the temperature, no?
In the past, we have planted banana, but there were many diseases that affected. So
You stop. You stop.
it was not very good.
Can be also you can plant here sugar cane, no?
Sugar cane.
Oh.
Last
Here.
year we planted
You tried
sugar cane.
other farm.
Other farm. But there were a lot of birds that ate
The leaves.
flower.
Flower.
So a lot of birds. After that, it was not profitable.
How about if you put you cover the same greenhouse?
Ground. It will take a lot of space. And the sugar cane will take too much space in the greenhouses. So and
Cannot be.
we didn't do it.
Okay. Kain muna kami ng saging. Bago ko umalis ni Brother Kada, relax muna kami dito, yung nila, relaxation area. We stay here, no? Eat together for breakfast, lunch, and dinner here.
Yes, sir.
How about the other side? There's also here the same.
Here.
You put here a round
This
table.
is for workers.
There.
And this is for guests.
For guests. Dito pala pag may visitor.
This is for guests.
Malawak, mas malawak to.
Under the tree.
Under the tree.
Very cold.
Fresh. It's
Clean air.
Clean air here.
Yes.
Open na hangin. Sarap ng hangin, lamig. It's cold air, no?
Cold air. Yes.
It's under the tree. Under the tree, you give oxygen. You give carbon dioxide.
Yes. Very nice.
It's very nice to stay. Brother, you take a biscuit.
No. Nice one. Thank you.
You will eat for lunch now. Who cook for food?
This guy.
I cook for food.
This guy.
Sometimes you what call that, cutting bakre as well.
Yes.
Also
Cutting onion. All of that.
meat, goat meat also.
Good meat. It's very expensive. All the time, good meat is very expensive.
No, goat outside, not this one, because this one is expensive. From Kenya. The other goat.
We don't do that. And because
you can only buy in Magala, no?
Yes.
If you want to eat goat meat.
no, sometimes when there is too much good here, sometimes we take 2-3 and we eat sometimes around with the workers. But it is not all the time. It is not all the time. Sometimes.
Sometimes. If maybe if one goat, there's a problem with one goat,
Yes,
cut him.
ah,
Mm.
and we will cut and we will eat it sometimes.
Mm.
But it is not all the time. All the time it is very expensive.
Mm. It's not good for health also if you eat goat meat every day.
Yes,
Mm. It's a good vegetable.
yes,
And then tea. So you drink tea, yeah?
yes. We drink tea and with this medicinal plant,
Mm.
with mint, with basil, with lemon balm, all of that.
You
It's
have
very
here.
tasty. Yes.
It's good, good for the health.
For the
Healthy,
health,
healthy.
for and when there is too much noise in the city,
Mm.
people come here and sleep here.
Mm?
Right? And sometimes people sleep here. Sometimes
It's okay.
Okay.
Open.
open. Sometimes they sleep here.
Other
For
races
camping.
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 They go here overnight. Stay here overnight.
Yes, yes,
Mm.
yes.
What race? Debushan? Debushan?
African, Djiboutian,
Ay.
French.
Okay.
Sometimes
Mm.
they sleep in. And
They bring food. They bring food.
government official sometimes come here.
Come here. It's good because they were around there. This was a wide. Very wide space here.
They,
How many hectares this one, bro?
this one,
Hectares, how many?
4.
4 hectares. I said it's around 4 to 5 hectares, 4 hectares.
4.
It's good. You will plant there mango also, mango and avocado.
Yes. There's mango, avocado, right there. But the avocado is not suitable in this area.
Maybe you will dig first and then change the soil, no?
No, the problem with avocado is the temperature. Because the temperature in Djibouti it is hot. The average temperature for growing an avocado tree and it's around 19 degree, 20 degree right there.
Maybe.
But in Djibouti it's 27 degree, 30 degree, so it's very hot for
Very
avocado.
hot.
But for palm tree, for mango, for aloe vera, it
No
is
problem
not a
because it's watery, you know,
Ah,
watery plant.
there's no problem for mango, aloe vera, cactus. This one cactus.
But the
All of them.
water level here is it's okay, no?
Water.
The roots can sip water
Yes.
under the ground.
Yes.
Oh, so the mango can grow.
Yes. And the mango tree is a very big tree, and it
The
has
roots.
plenty of roots. All of them.
You see the water level there, no?
The water will reach.
Will
Will
can
reach the
grow.
root. So it is very nice.
Oh, who discovered this one? Who discovered this place?
The name.
Who discovered this place?
The name.
No, this farm, the farm. That's the place, this one, the area.
The name. It is Haru.
Haru. Haru. Why Haru?
Haru Farm.
Haru Farm. Maybe the family name of the owner is Haru?
No.
No? Only the place. The place. The name of this place.
All of that is Haru.
This Haru. Okay. Haru.
You know refugee. And there is refugee and there is Haru.
Okay. The name of the place there. This place is Haru. Another place is refugee.
The same. All of this is Haru. All of this is Haru. After the refugee area.
So
refugee neighborhood.
once these dates will
Date.
Uh,
Date is between
their
June.
fruit, no?
Yes,
Too
yes.
much.
Too much. Too much. Too much date.
How much in a little pack is 200?
No, 300.
300 now, 300. A bigger one, 400.
No,
Five.
and 303.
Ay, the dates 3.
Ah,
The
palm tree.
the number of trees is 300.
300.
Oh, too much 300. No?
It is too much.
No, if they will bear fruit, they take no too much. If you
too
will
much.
harvest, no?
Too much fruit we harvest and we
One
sell.
one pack is 200.
1 kilo.
No, the pack only pack.
Pack.
1 kilo, that's 1 kilo, or half kilo only.
And no, 1 kilo is
Bigger pack.
350.
Bigger pack, no?
No,
Put in a styro.
no, we don't do that.
Yun. Only per kilo. They will, somebody will came here.
And we sell in 25 kilos. And this one,
You put in the sack.
we put in this 25 kilo. We check 25 kilo. We put this. 25 kilo.
And this one who buy the dates from you, they will pack. They packing. This they sell in they put in a mall like that. Sell in the
Yes,
mall.
yes. And this date.
How many months this
Well,
one?
we sell in Body Mall,
Uh,
Casino. Well, this.
they will be want to repack, no?
People sell
Every how many months, bro, before they will bear fruit this one? 4 months?
it will be ready in June
June. By June.
next year. It will be ready next year.
June.
So last
Twice a year?
no, once a year.
Once a year. What is too much? 300? 3?
At the same time. Too
Together.
much
Too much.
date.
Oh.
So people eat, bird eat.
So how many kilos you harvested? Average
Oh,
25? How many kilos?
too much.
Too much.
3 tons. 3 tons.
Too much. 3 tons.
3,000 kilos.
3 tons.
For all of them. It's 3 tons.
Big money.
Around 3 tons per year. Per year.
You the one who paid this one, the shakala, the people, they
We
pay,
pay.
monthly.
So there is sometimes it is hot and sometimes it is cold. The farming industry is not stable.
It's not stable.
Sometimes there is no rain. Sometimes there is too much pest for
Here?
and a little insect that eat vegetation. So
But you're not
it's very
using
hard.
insecticide, no?
No,
No.
we don't use
You don't use
It is
chemical,
organic.
all organic.
organic. Yes.
So you can take that, bro.
In the other farm,
Out there,
I will go to the other farm.
you will go now. Okay, bro. Thanks for we'll go now also. Thanks for meeting again. Maybe next time again, brother.
Okay.
Thank you, Dad. Okay, we'll go also. You can take, you can give your biscuit.
Yeah.
How many?
Take
the biscuit. Take the biscuit.
Okay.
Thank you. Give take
Thank
three.
you.
Take three.
Thank
Take
you.
three.
It is too much. Thank you.
Take three.
Thank you.
Okay, brother. Thank you. Thank you for the this one. I will plant this one. I will share for them also if it will grow. And I will eat the lettuce. Yes, sir. Okay guys, hanggang dito na lang. Pauwi na kami. Thank you, thank you.